Treatment is implemented and is into the stimulus that should control. One more time, emphasis.
Without prior written permission of passive exam.
Dang it.
I mean, 100 mistakes out of a zillion possible mistakes is not so bad.
Chapter 3. Okay.
If you can that's engaging.
I want to be relatable.
Operant refers to a response-consequence relationship.
What?
One's correct who's gonna bring you home?
Yeah.
Then in the three fingers. Oh, dang it.
It's good love.
I'm gonna do that one more time.
Something's coming towards us. Oh my God.
Happy studying.
Boom.